Guys, I am back with another video. As you can see, it is kind of downpouring, but the thing is, I'm eating potato salad on a rainy day. It's pretty good. Well, power went out a little bit, and if you guys saw that, that is lightning. And that is thunder, if you guys can hear that. As I was saying, power went out a little bit, and now my TV shut off, so I can't watch TV. If you guys are new to this channel, subscribe and like this video. My goal for subscribers is 1,800. My goal for this video is, on likes, is, get ready, drum roll, 12. So, I have a shout out for Cool Dudes Gaming 2, my friend in school. He has a YouTube channel too. And yeah. I think that's it for this channel. Subscribe.